Hello friends, hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Special thanks to my channel members for helping support this channel through difficult times. It's been a wild year and a half, but today we're going to be doing a handbag video. I like to do handbag videos, purse videos, makeup, skincare, a little bit of everything, unfortunately, because that doesn't do well for my channel, but that's fine. Today we're going to be talking about a LOUNGEFLY bag. This is CINNAMOROLL, right? The lighting is not going to be great, but I'm going to include some close-ups so you can really see this amazing, cute book bag, CINNAMOROLL. Yeah, by SANRIO. So it's like a SANRIO bag. And I've always loved CINNAMOROLL. I just didn't know that's what she was called. Is it a she or a he? I'm not sure, but she's super duper cute. I am really happy with this bag. So originally I was on the LOUNGEFLY website, and I don't normally go to their official website just because I feel like sometimes they don't have everything that I'm looking for. But I was doing research for the Luna Love bag that I had done, the Luna Love Good bag that I did recently that's also from LOUNGEFLY, because I wanted to see if I could get it directly from LOUNGEFLY instead of just the Harry Potter New York store, because, you know, then it's harder for people to get. So I saw this while I was there and I loved it, but it was sold out. I signed up for email notifications, not really thinking much of it, and then 3 weeks later it has arrived. The only thing is, like, I paid for it and then it arrived, but the only thing is that LOUNGEFLY, when I order directly from them, for some reason they never send me a shipping notification. It just gets delivered like a week later, and I don't like that. I would like to know where my package is so that I can be home to get it, because I don't trust my neighbors. So yeah, that's like the one thing I don't like about ordering from their official website. But the bag itself is gorgeous, and I also got a matching wallet, which we're going to talk about. I did unbox these on my vlogging channel, so if you want to see my initial reactions, I'll have that down below. But it is very beautiful. It's pure white, features her face, the floppy ears, the little feet, and the hands are just actually textured like a real, like, 3D stuffed animal. And there's a little rainbow zipper, which is super cute, and it has a little bird on it. And then it says, of course, SANRIO, LOUNGEFLY, you know, the usual. What's interesting is that, I didn't notice this initially, but behind it, where your back goes, like where you wear it, there's also like a fluffy tail, which in my opinion is a weird placement. I mean, I get why they did that, because it's a bunny and it needs a tail, but I feel like if you're sensitive to things up against your back, that would be kind of weird. I mean, it is soft though, so that's a good thing. But yeah, it's like a random, like, white piece up against your lower back. The straps are a nice minty blue, which is really, really cute. And on the inside, it has a light blue with rainbows and just other designs. A unicorn, balloons, and it has kind of an inner pocket. It's not zippered, but there's an inner pocket to put things in. And then on the side of the actual bags, you also have these little insert slips that you can put something in. Something small, preferably, because I feel like if you put a water bottle in, it'll stretch it out in a really weird way. But yeah, this is their SANRIO CINNAMOROLL Cosplay Mini Backpack. So I'm gonna wear it right now. I'm gonna put it on, but I haven't adjusted the straps to my height. I'm a very short person, and these usually come like taped up quite short. So this is the straps. I'll be honest, I don't like the little cottontail. Like, I feel it more now that I know it's there versus when I didn't know it was there. It's a little bit weird. But with these mini book bags, I'm very used to downsizing. So if you're someone that carries a really big handbag or anything like that, it does take some getting used to with the amount of products you can actually fit in there. But I can fit in a water bottle, my wallet, my phone, some hair products and stuff like that, a notebook or a book to read pretty nicely and comfortably. It's not super small. And now that we talked about the backpack, let's talk about the wallet. The wallet is very cute, and it's the perfect size, because a lot of times LOUNGEFLY does those really long wallets, which again, I buy them anyway. I do like them, but there's something much more convenient for me personally with a smaller wallet. So this has CINNAMOROLL on a very cute pink unicorn, and it's kind of like a 3D effect that does extend a little bit outside of the wallet itself. And in the back, I really, really love it because it has these cute little birdies. I don't know if they have names. I'm not super familiar with CINNAMOROLL. Some balloons, and it is zippered. So once you unzip it, it has that beautiful, like, rainbow detailing. You can put your ID, some cash, some cards, the good stuff. I really like these size wallets. I think they're great. I'm gonna put the price right here from the official LOUNGEFLY website, because when I tried to buy it on Amazon, it was a reseller and they were charging way more than $100 for this bag, and I was like, nope, that is not happening. So yeah, the bag, the wallet, they're cute, they're functional. There's actually a little cutout in the plastic overlay of a cloud, which I think is really cute when you put your ID in there. Here's what the tag looks like. Super cute. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm glad it came back in stock. I didn't think it was going to, honestly. Sometimes things sell out with Loungefly and they never come back, and then other times you think something's gonna sell out and be an exclusive, and then it does come back right away. So it's just really hard to predict what's gonna be a big hit with Loungefly. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's really beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. It is pure white, and that tends to be something I don't gravitate towards just because I'm a messy, accident-prone person who gets staining on things very easily. So I'm probably gonna wrap it up before putting it in my closet or something, because I don't want it getting dirty before I even take it out, because that is something that is very common with me in my bags. So that being said, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will have a couple more bag related videos coming up. I think I'm gonna make it its own playlist, just because I know I haven't kind of tailored down to a specific niche, and that does kind of hurt my channel. But I like so much of different things. That was a weird constructed sentence. I like a lot of different things, and it's hard to just stick to one niche. Like, I just don't want to. So I'm gonna do a playlist of all my Loungefly videos. That way it'll be a little bit easier for people to kind of sift through what they want to see. I did the Luna Lovegood one recently. I did the Harry Potter snitch bag, which is super duper affordable. It was only $30. And then I have another Harry Potter Honeydukes bag that I have to talk about that is absolutely adorable. It was a new release and I snatched it, and there's another one that I really need to get to. I just wish they came with matching wallets, but so far nothing. The sun is coming out full force. That's my cue to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you very soon with another video. Stay safe out there.